In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Godaddy's website builder. Starting this process, the first thing we must do is navigate to Godaddy's sign-in page. This is where your journey begins to expand your website with new pages. And of course, signing in is pretty straightforward. You'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to make sure you enter them correctly to avoid any access issues. Once your credentials are entered, go ahead and click the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing the plethora of features Godaddy offers, including the website builder where you'll work your magic. After successfully logging in, your next stop is your website's dashboard. You should see a button labeled Go to Website or something very similar. This is your cue to click and be transported to where the real action takes place. Now that you're looking at your website's backend, you're going to see an option named Edit Website. This is where the magic begins. Clicking on Edit Website will take you to the editor, a space ripe with possibilities and creativity waiting to be unleashed. Within the website editor, there's a tab on the top or side, depending on Godaddy's current layout, named Website. This tab is your central hub for all things related to your website's structure and design. Once in the Website tab, we're looking for something very specific, the Site Navigation section. Site navigation is crucial because it affects how visitors interact with your site. It's the roadmap they follow, and you're about to add a new destination to that map. In the Site Navigation section, keep an eye out for a small, unassuming, yet incredibly powerful plus icon. This plus symbol is not just a design element, it's your tool to expand your website's horizon. Click on this icon to initiate the process of adding a new page to your site. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option labeled New Page. As you might guess, clicking this embarks you on the creation of a fresh new page for your website. This is your blank canvas, awaiting to be transformed into a masterpiece that complements your site's existing content. Before we proceed further, it's important to mention a critical point. Adding new pages to your website through Godaddy's website builder requires a premium subscription. This is a small investment in the grand scheme of crafting an engaging, comprehensive website that serves all your needs and those of your visitors. Why is adding new pages important, you might wonder? Well, each page on your website can serve a unique purpose. From detailing your services, showcasing products, hosting a blog, or even providing contact information, every page enhances the user experience, provides valuable information, and contributes to the overall SEO strategy of your site. Now, while adding pages may seem like a technical process, Godaddy's website builder simplifies it, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, the content and design that resonate with your audience. Remember, the goal of your website is not just to exist online, but to create a space that engages, informs, and converts visitors into fans, clients, or customers. Throughout this process, keep in mind the structure of your site navigation. Consistency in navigation and layout ensures a smoother, more intuitive experience for your visitors. It tells them you care about their time and ease of access to the information they seek. Moreover, while the technical steps to add a page are straightforward, the real challenge lies in what you do with that page. Plan its content carefully, consider its purpose, and how it fits within the larger narrative of your website. Each page should be a step in the journey you want your visitors to take, guiding them gently towards the action you wish them to take. In conclusion, adding a page on Godaddy's website builder is more than just a few clicks. It's about growing your presence online thoughtfully and strategically. Remember, your website is often the first impression potential customers have of your business or project. Make every page count, from the sign-in process to publishing new, compelling content that draws people in and encourages them to explore all that you offer. And that's how you add a new page to your Godaddy website. Thank you for following along. Don't hesitate to rewind and review any sections of this tutorial as you work on expanding your website. Here's to your continued success online, one page at a time.